guys, welcome back to Tea Family Cooking Show. Today, I'm sharing the recipe of the famous noodle dish from my home country. It's called KYAY O, which literally means bronze pot. It's not that difficult to make, but the taste is really unique. You will fall in love once you have tasted it and making it again and again. So do give it a try at home. Okay, let's do some awesome cooking. I have pork bones and chicken bones here. I will use both for our broth. So add both of them in the pot. Add hot water. I will add about 2 liters of hot water. 3 teaspoons of salt or salt to taste. Just salt, we won't use fish sauce or soy sauce in this recipe. Also 3 teaspoons of sugar. And then I will also add 1 teaspoon of MSG. We normally don't use MSG in our recipes, but gotta use in this one, otherwise the taste won't be the same as bronze pot from famous restaurants. Then put the lid on and simmer for at least 1 hour. While it's simmering away, you will occasionally need to remove this yucky, foamy stuff. Okay, while we are waiting for the broth to reduce, we will marinate our meatballs. I will make chicken meatballs and spice balls, which is my hubby's favorite, but you can just do the chicken meatballs. I've got minced chicken here. Add 1 whole egg, white pepper, black pepper, sugar, cornstarch, salt to taste, and bring them all together. Okay, we got marinated chicken for our meatballs. I'll just take some of those marinated chicken to make the spice balls. Add 5 spice powder, more cornstarch, and just mix it well to avoid any lumps. Okay, it's been an hour since we started simmering the broth. Now we can make our KYAY O. We usually prepare for 1 portion at a time, and in our country, the chefs usually cook with a bronze pot, and that's why people call this a bronze pot noodles. I'll just add the broth in the other pot. Add the meatballs. It's okay if you don't want to make meatballs with your hands. I'm also using a spoon to make meatballs. And spice balls. I will also add some chicken hearts, liver, and some chicken breast as well, but it's optional. Alright, add tofu. Then add vermicelli, but you can also eat with flat noodles. That's my husband's favorite. I'll also add 1 egg in the middle. This means it's the special KYAY O. Will cost you a bit more at restaurants there. Without egg, it's ordinary KYAY O. But we also put boiled quail eggs normally, but couldn't buy quail eggs in the market today, so I'm just making without it. I will also add some bok choy. Put the lid away and let them cook through. It's cooked, but I will quickly make my favorite sauce that will go really well with it. Hot sauce, fish sauce, white vinegar, and some minced garlic. Mix well, and there you go. We've got our sauce. Just add some black pepper and enjoy. It's so good. Do try it as soon as you can, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye!